Hey, to connect the Realme Buds Air 5 with any iPhone or iPad, first of all you will have to open the charging case with the both earbuds inside, and right now you will have to locate this button and you have to click and hold it until this small indicator on the front starts blinking white. So when it is blinking, okay, it actually stops, so we have to do this one more time. Okay, now it's blinking, so just keep that case open. And now on your iPhone you have to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth settings, remember to turn on the Bluetooth by clicking on the switcher, and now from the other devices list you will have to select Realme Buds Air 5. Now just accept this connection, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. Also, I can highly recommend you to get the Realme Link application from the App Store. So this is the name application, and after downloading and installing you will have to open it, and for the first time you will get here some notifications that you will have to accept. You have to just accept every agreement, every user license, and then when you click to pair new device you will have to also log in to the Realme Link app. You can create an account or, for example, log in with your email or phone number, and when you do this you can click on the plus in the right upper corner, then you will have to accept this permission. And now you can find your Realme Buds Air 5 right here, but if they are not available you can also go for audio device and here search for Realme Buds Air 5, and then you can just select them, click here that earphone is connected, click next, and now you can select them from the list, accept this pairing request, and now your device will be connected. You have to accept this statement of use and click agree. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.